Hello, this is Aldo from Excel for Everyone. This is a video about the new or relatively new Excel formula called TEXTBEFORE. There's another one called TEXTAFTER. And this allows you to separate a string of text into separate smaller chunks. For instance, let's say that you have this cell here, B2, where you have a surname separated by a comma from the name, the first name of the person. And you have a series of these all the way down. The easiest way to separate this text into surname and name is using the text before and the text after function. I will give you an example here. You go equal, and then you go text before, open parentheses, and then you just need to decide where the text is. So the text is in cell B2, and then you do comma, and then you need to decide what the delimiter is. So what is it that delimits the text before? In this particular case is the comma, swift comma. So we put in comma, inverted commas, comma, close parentheses, enter, and as you can see there, the Excel gives you what appears before the comma, i.e. Swift, the surname. If you then want to separate Taylor, you go equal, and then you will go text after, and again it will be of cell B2, but here what we need to identify is what comes before Taylor, and in this particular case it will be the space. So we'll put inverted commas, space, and then close parentheses, and then enter, and there you go, you have Taylor. So then of course you can copy and paste the formula and apply it to all other instances of cells where you have the similar delimiter. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please put a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.